Buenos Aires is the capital and the largest city of Argentina, located on the western bank of the Rio de la Plata, inland from the Atlantic Ocean. It forms the head station of the transcontinental railway to Valparaiso in Chile. Buenos Aires, along with Rosario, forms one of the largest South American megalopolis. But the town and the city to remember is USHAIA. It is the capital of Tierra del Fuego and is commonly regarded as the southernmost city in the world. The city, with its exotic looks, is now a transit city for a cruise towards Antarctic.